I make it far. But every day I gotta do some more.
Good morning, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Well, I don't got an introduction because this is like my first video for real. Like, I be hopping in, hopping out type shit. And for real, that's low-key kind of like a reflection of my trading. Not really like, as far as like my commitment to the charts, but as far as like, I just be starting shit. So literally, I started like, I be getting ahead of myself sometimes. I started like 5 challenges one time at the same time. Failed one. I'm trying to trade all 5 of them without a copy trader, even though I'm following the same thing. But then I also want to keep everything separate because if I trade all 5 of them, I might have a losing day on all 5 type shit. You know, like you're just trying to figure shit out as a beginner or whatever. But basically, how you do everything, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So I've been very undisciplined in the gym. And I'm basically about to do like a 30 days. I'm about to do 3 challenges at once type shit. I know that this is not recommended, but it's been something I've been trying. Like, these challenges have been something I've been trying to do, and they all basically, like, they all cycle in with each other, and they all help with the next challenge on some shit. So if I just do it all at the same time, nip it in the bud, I'll figure I might as well be on a fast track. So I'm going to do the 30-day challenge with Earl Nightingale. I'm going to do Andrew Tate's Positive Masculinity Challenge. You kind of got to be in the real world to understand what that is, but I'll let y'all know what that is in a minute. And I'm about to do the 75 Hard Challenge. That's the reason why I'm up so freaking early on a Sunday. Like, it's Sunday right now. 4/22. It's the 13th. Sunday the 13th. 4/22. You feel me? So, yeah. Basically, Monday through Friday, I'm just trying to wake up at 4 a.m., go to sleep by 10. Saturdays, wake up between 6:30 and 7:30, and go to sleep by 10. And what those challenges entail, hold on, let me go to my goals. It's not on my goals. Alright, so basically the Positive Masculinity Challenge for 30 days is no porn. If you fail, go back to day 1. No masturbation. If you fail, you go back to day 1. No music, no sugar, no alcohol, no smoking. No video games. If you fail, go back to day 1. No social media. Basically, no cheap dopamine in general. And what you do want to do is post every day in a daily check-in, exercise every day, get a good night's sleep, coffee in moderation, fruit in moderation, because fruit has excess sugar even though it's natural sugar. And then basically set goals. But I've already done that part. Basically, my goal is to average $20,000 a month. I want to weigh 135 pounds. And I want all this to be done by the end of the quarter, December. So I want to weigh 135 by December. And I want to be able to have had 2 $30,000 payout months by December. Realistically, it'll be 1. But I'm aiming for 2 $30,000 payout months. And with the, what's her name? Earl Nightingale Challenge. It's just a pay the price one where he's talking about you gotta become what you think about. You got to concentrate on the goal, imagine it, say what you earn, and make sure that you're making actionable steps towards it every single day. And then the 75 hard challenge, what's that shit? Come on, fool. Alright. 75 hard challenge. You gotta work out twice a day. Gotta drink a gallon of water. Alright, my fault. Alright, so 75 hard challenge. You gotta stick to a diet. I ain't gonna lie, I'm skinny as hell. Like, I weigh 128. So, literally, it's just to eat more calories type shit. So, I'm gonna just eat more calories, excluding sugar, alcohol, and shit like that. To complete 2 45-minute exercises. That shit gonna be easy. Drink a gallon of water. That shit gonna be hard. Read 10 pages of self-improvement or educational book. Gotta implement that into my life and then take progress photos. So, yeah, bruh. We're gonna go ahead and get this day started. Go to the gym. Bada bing, bada bang. So
I see y'all. It was a pretty easy workout today. Today was a pull/back and bicep day. So we started off the workout with overhand grip pull-ups. We did 4 sets of 10 on this one. Then we transferred over to underhand grip plate loaded lat pull-downs. Well, I didn't do the plates. I did the selector machine. But either way it go, we did 3 sets of 10 on that at 120 pounds. I also did some dumbbell bent over reverse flies. I didn't capture that on camera, but I did that at 4 sets of 10, around 10 pounds each. That was just a little bit of shoulders. Then moving on to the bicep, I did standing straight barbell curls. I did 4 sets of 10 on those, and I did incline dumbbell curls. I did 3 sets of 10 on those. I just did the bar for the standing barbell, and then I did, I believe 20s on the incline dumbbell curl.
Blink of an eye, everything can change. So forgive often and love with all your heart. You'll never know if you'll have the chance to do it again.
So I just realized that all that gym content I just filmed, I didn't have my mic turned on. So it's gonna be B-roll. But it is 5:43 in the morning. We're about to do the second part of the low key having a little bit of brain fog. It's early as hell in the morning. I feel like The Rock. Like I'm up early as hell. But it is 5:43 in the morning on this great Sunday morning. Usually I run, y'all probably can't see, but usually I run in the darkness. But it's way too early and I don't want to be mauled by a bear. So we're gonna run on the regular streets. But the only reason why I don't run on the sidewalk where normal people run. Sorry, I thought I heard something. The only reason why I don't run on the sidewalks where normal people run though is because it'd be too much action going on. But because it's Sunday morning and literally nobody is up, I'm gonna take advantage. So yeah. So 2 45-minute workouts about to be done. After this, I'm gonna get my first middle of the day in and probably read. And then I'll be done with the first day of the 75 hard challenge, bro. At 6 a.m. Who else doing it like this right here? Who else doing it like this right here? Alright, bro. It's too early in the morning. Let's get it done. Yo, coming in the morning is like the most majestic thing. Look, bunny. I've literally seen there's a bunny. Wow, cinematic view. Maybe it's a rock. It might be a rock. I don't know. But I've literally seen like 4 or 5 bunnies across my. It was a bunny. I was not delusional. I already see 4 or 5 freaking bunnies, bro, cross my path type shit. So it's kind of like majestic as fuck in the morning, bro. Majestic as hell. We are back. Breakfast is served. We have a little bit of steak and eggs. Or cheese steak and eggs with a little bit of jalapeno, Cholula, a biscuit with apple butter. You know what I'm saying? Keeping the vibe simple, yet sweet and spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and chow down on this and figure out. Because my brain is really not working. I'm on autopilot. But I'm going to try and figure out what I'm about to do next. But until then, let's just relax. Soak in the dub that we got today with the run, waking up early, the gym, and this breakfast. I will consider that all dubs. And gotta also make sure I drink that water. And I know my background looks like a pubescent trader threw up on my wall. But that's exactly what I did. So, hey.
My mama always say I'll make it far. But every day I gotta do some more.
I ain't gonna lie. It's Sunday night football and I couldn't even finish it. I left during halftime because we was getting our ass kicked. Came back. Game damn near over. It's like 49-7, bro. I'm the 7. Or it's like 47-9, some shit. Like I think they had to kick like 3 field goals. Cause they had 6 when I left. Bruh. It's hard out here being a Cowboys fan, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the trades that I take and the consistency, because we know the Cowboys are consistent, so I have to be better than them. God damn, bro. But yeah, I'll talk with y'all later, bro.